Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform the hard reset on iPad mini 7th generation. In order to do that, you will need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to make sure that you are in general settings, scroll down in general settings to find transfer or reset iPad, and if you go over here, at the bottom you will find the option that is called erase all content and settings. If you press on it, then you will see this information, the summary of what will happen. Of course, you will be logged out of your Apple account and you will remove all your personal data. And of course, in addition to that, before you actually do the hard reset, you want to make a backup of everything that is important to you that you don't want to lose in the process. And once you are certain that you want to perform the hard reset and restore factory settings, you want to go and press continue, and then proceed with the instructions that will be visible on the screen in order to finalize this process and erase everything from your iPad. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!